Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Mitsubishi key. This is for the proximity smart key, starting from 2010 up until 2015-16. The procedure is quite simple. You'll need a couple of screwdrivers. In my case I used a medium flathead and a small flathead screwdriver. Okay. So turning the key around, you have this button here which releases the emergency plate. Put that one on the side, and after that you have a tap over here. There's a gap which allows you to insert the flathead screwdriver. Okay, I left it open because it's quite tricky to open. You kind of have to play with it a little bit in order to open. There we go, the battery is inside here. With the use of the small flathead screwdriver, release the battery from its position, in our case CR2025. When changing the battery, please make sure you put the positive side of the battery facing up, and also you need to slide it back into position where the clips are. That's it. Once that is done, align the case back in and add the emergency plate, and your key is ready to go. Okay. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.